spray you.
Izzy! Hey guys! Hello? Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Mary.
I'm Izzy.
And today we're gonna be
The heat's getting to her.
Today we're gonna be playing another Fix This Store-Bought Slime Challenge. So today we have the Slimy Gloop Mix-Ems and we have the Confetti Edition. But it's so cool because it looks like this metallic glossy milk slime.
And mine is pretty.
We have the same one.
Mine's prettier.
Look at our hands, guys. We just made yesterday's video right before this one, and we tried washing them with shaving cream and stuff. It wouldn't come off. And my shirt's wet because these look so pretty and metallically like milk slime. Let's check them out.
Whoa.
These are like
Mine's not sticky.
glitter,
Mine's really nice.
beads. It's all the mix-ems.
Ooh.
This is awesome. I don't want to fix it.
It's like pearl.
I know. Oh my god. I love this slime. Oh my god. Wait.
Let's bubble test it.
That's the real thing.
I try to make it into a circle shape like a pearl.
Ready? Ready?
Okay, bubble test.
Goodness, stick bubble.
Yup.
Store-bought slime usually sucks.
Yep. Okay, let's put in the mix-em so we can fix them. Oh no, I wonder what the glitter's gonna do to it. Let's add in the beads first.
I'm adding my glitter. Actually, I'm adding the beads first. I'm gonna add in the beads first because it'll probably look pretty.
Yep, I want
I'm gonna mix it. Wait, I'm gonna be one of those satisfying Instagrams. Wait, chill. Ready? Shh.
How was that satisfying?
I don't know, but it's pretty. Look, ready? Now glitter. Open it.
No, wait. Hey, no, wait, watch. Guys, look, when I rub the beads, it makes like imprints on the slime and it looks so cool.
Ew!
Glitter.
Glitter smells like fish.
It does. Oh my god, how are we gonna fix fish it? Oh.
I don't know. Oops, sorry, Mom.
Wow, that is so pretty and clear.
Move your hand! Are you done? Oh! You almost messed up my bubble.
Anger issues mud. Okay, guys, so to make this challenge even harder, we prepared mystery bags of the ingredients we're gonna fix our slime with for each other. So, Izzy, I'm gonna give you your bag. Give me mine. Okay, ready?
Yep, ready, set, go.
Woo! Let's see.
Okay.
No way!
What is this?
Oh my god! It's like a Starbucks drink or something.
Made it just for you.
Thank you. This on
Alright.
top.
Now,
Baking
what is
soda.
this? Maybe this will make it look pink. Okay, I'm adding
Shaving cream.
Wow.
You are so cheap.
Spray paint and a whole bag of glitter, guys. The glitter's all on the bottom. I can put it in the bag.
Man, did you leave it in the jar?
So you can add it in.
Skirt, 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 skirt,
Okay, guys, I'm gonna add this in first.
What is this? Black pigment? It's black pigment. She's trying to sabotage me.
Okay, I think I need to add some more shaving cream. She actually gave me nice ingredients.
You're welcome.
Besides the brown on the bottom of the cup.
Excuse you, ungrateful much.
You just called my items cheap.
Well, they are cheap.
Oh no, what color is
I
this
have to
gonna turn?
literally, you tried to sabotage me? So
No.
now I have to make this pigment pretty?
Oh my god, I think I may have added a little bit too much shaving cream. No, I don't want to lose the challenge.
Look at guys, I just colored this pigment.
That's not pigment. Oh my god, my slime's like white now. Izzy!
Oopsie! Always be soft to glitter.
Hey, stop.
Good thing there's no sprinkles in here.
Okay, guys, I'm losing.
Yes, you
But
are.
don't tell Izzy that.
Bruh.
Look at my glitter slime. It's amazing. And guys, literally, I just need to mix this and then it's going to be like that. Pretty pink.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna add in my spray paint, and it's purple.
Spray it far away.
It's stuck.
Let me help you.
Oh.
Okay. I'm going to spray you.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna have purple slime.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
There you go, perfect. Glitter time. Ready, guys? I'm gonna. No!
I barely even got him. Slime.
Okay, guys, are you ready for the big reveal? Oh.
Yeah. Guys, so let's show how we fix it. How I fix this slime. So basically, Mary gave me so cheap ingredients. I had to make the purple dark pigment pink. I had to paint, food coloring, mix it, paint, food coloring, mix it, put it on the side, put some food coloring, paint, and some glitter, some blue glitter. Then Mary put some lotion and some spray paint, and it turned out
Beautiful.
Look at that! I win round 1. Check out last place.
First place over here, we have this blue glitter on top of it, and I added shaving cream and
Yeah, nice
spray
rock.
paint.
Nice
It's not a rock.
Nice rock.
It's not a rock.
It is rock.
Excuse me. It's a bouncy ball.
I like a flat tire.
For a piece of cheese.
Hey, give me back my slime.
Izzy!
Ow!
You almost took my head off.
What? Hey, let go of my slime. No? What should I do?
Woo! That was fun.
Give me a hey!
Bring on round 2.
Ah!
Okay, guys, so it's round 2. And look, guys, I have clear slime. And round 2 is about to get super crazy because round 1 was
So easy.
Well, I have teal, and it matches my shirt. It's really pretty. And look, I have fishbowl beads, pearls, and silver glitter. So mine's gonna be already so pretty.
They have beads and they're different sizes. And look at the clear,
Ooh, it's not
guys.
sticky. Ooh.
Look, guys, my fingers through it. Oh, it's a little sticky. Okay, guys, let's check this out. I love clear slime, and you don't get store-bought slime this often.
Nope.
Whoa! This slime is amazing.
Look at these. Let me make a bubble. Guys, it actually just started raining, and it's like 100 degrees out. And the water's hot. The rainwater.
Guys, look, it's like a little sticky right here, and the beads stuck to
And
it.
guys, Zoe was out there, but I thought the sliding glass door was open, so she just got like a little bit soaked. And then she just kept waiting at the door for me, and I was there, but she wasn't
She's waiting for us to finish the video.
Yeah.
To add this in.
Guys, she's probably waiting at the door right now.
Whoa!
I feel bad. Oh my God! Wait,
Huh?
these are silver flakes.
Like the gold one?
Yeah. Wait, I want to make like a circle to add it all in. Stay. Oh. It spilled. I was trying to lift it up and it just went all the way everywhere.
Guys, look, you can still see the bead. Wow. Guys, look at that. God, this looks so cool.
All right. Let me try to make a bubble. See if it still makes a bubble. The bead's gonna make it a little bit hard. Shut up! Okay.
Whoa!
Noise. All right, now we have our own mystery mix-ups to see what we can add to our set. So I have this yellow glue, red glitter, red sprinkles,
Shaving cream! Here it is! Yellow food coloring and like this. Ow.
So that's you good ingredients and being horrible.
What do you mean? You have like these sprinkles, micro beads, red food coloring, and glue. Okay guys, this is probably gonna look really pretty because this is clear. But first just do this and oh, I tried to like spread it.
I'm not adding anything. All right.
Okay, that's enough shaving cream. Let's put this clear slime over that. Okay, are you ready? Whoa, it still has slime over it. It still has slime. It's still in the slime.
I'm trying to mix this in because it's really hard though, so.
Oh no, my slime's gonna turn white, but then it's gonna be a yellow.
Uh-oh, I think I just ruined this. It's like a rock.
Hey, it kind of looks like a cereal slime now because it's
Fruity
white
Pebbles?
and then it has like these, yeah,
Or Fruity
tricks,
Pebbles.
tricks,
Fruity Pebbles.
tricks, because they're circles.
All right, so I'm just like gonna keep mixing. It's gonna take a while.
Look how fluffy this is. I love it. I've made cereal slime. I kind of want to keep it like this, but let's put in the yellow. It'd be like a fun, pretty slime
I'm
now.
finished and it's super pretty. Ready, guys? 1, 2, 3.
Empty now. Okay.
Oh! Oh! Uh-oh. I knock the slime.
Wow. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I'm gonna add this in. You can see it.
I saved that. Okay, I'm ready. Don't do that. I made this beautiful metallic rock. It's so pretty, and it has some sprinkles. It's like a cake. It's kind of stretchy. With pizza dough. Wait, let me roll it into a circle.
Okay, so mine turned into a pretty yellow fluffy slime. And it has beads in it, colorful beads, and it can make bubbles. I really like it, but I love the clear too. And I also like it when it was white. What do you mean? Mine is more like that.
Pizza dough.
Whoa.
Cheese.